You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Curious word, isn't it? It's so simple, but so many get confused by it, including me. Stay tuned to learn more correct, confusing English pronunciations and vocabulary. Vegetable, veg. So it's essentially, you could spell it V-E-J or V-E-D-J, veg, veg, alright? So it's not veggie. I know veggie is short for vegetables. Veggies, vegetables, actually. Vegetables or vegetables? Vegetables, vegetables. Stress on that first syllable. Americans and British English pronunciations are similar here. Vegetables. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.